If your GMC Acadia is refusing to fire up today, don't panic. We are going to track down the culprit in under 3 minutes. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start issues are simply due to a discharged or aged battery that can no longer hold a load. Before you start buying expensive parts, let's walk through a systematic diagnostic flow to find the actual break in the chain. Start by ensuring your battery terminals are tight and clean, then verify the vehicle recognizes it is actually in park. If you hear a loud click but the engine doesn't turn, your starter motor might be failing due to internal wear or heat. If the engine cranks but won't catch, listen for the fuel pump hum to ensure gas is reaching the injectors. Basic electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but fuel pump and computer issues usually require professional tools and a lift. While a battery is a relatively cheap fix, expect to pay significantly more if the fuel pump has given up the ghost. A pro tip is to swap your starter relay with the air conditioning relay to see if the part itself is dead. Before you start, make sure you have a basic multimeter and an OBD-I scanner to take the guesswork out of the job. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Safety should always be your first priority during any repair. Hopefully one of these steps got your Acadia running again. Subscribe for more practical automotive troubleshooting guides.